Yes, sir. Hello. Yeah, mic is good. Hello, 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 hello. Now, like, I was actually backtesting personally, so I thought to, just come to the live stream and do some live stream, like, do some backtesting here. So, the reason behind this backtesting is basically like uh, concentrating on profiling the 7-hour candles, how it works. Because yesterday I was watching the video of AM trades and T trades. So those guys were talking about 7-hour profiling. So I have backtested a couple of trades till now, and it's working perfectly. Like so good, basically. Let's see how it works for us. So yeah, coming to the weekly looks like we are bullish. What day it is? Yeah, a new week is starting. Okay, so basically, Monday will be a bit of low probable to us, keeping in that mind. So not expecting much out of Monday. We should be not expecting much out of Monday. Okay. Won't. This is my T spot. I usually mark it to the open, to the low for bullish and open to the high for bearish. Back to the 7 hour displacement, displacement. But the only thing is we haven't yet taken this high. But that doesn't matters to me much because we definitely take that out, and we are going to pair our 930. We will be focusing on pairing our 930 with our entry. So that's the main reason, and I'll be journaling on the way. Everything. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome to the stream. So this is our daily T spot, which I'll be looking for. Okay. So let's play it out. That's a pretty good displacement down there. So whatever the move is happening right now, it's a overnight move because 6 p.m. is the session. So keeping in that mind, let's do this analysis. Like if you are getting a overnight move, we might not get a good move after 9:30. Okay, so just have this in back of our mind. So good closure, good inversion with this SMT. Okay, so 1 a.m. Wait out. This is our 8 a.m. candle, which is basically which includes our open. So for now, a draw should be here and here. So this is a Monday. Monday might be a tight range. Let's hope for for that, like, should play out a tight range as we anticipated. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Testing out the 7-hour chart. That's the reason I'm back testing it today, or else I would have, you know, had good low resistance there. Looks good. 8:30, 8:45. So the entries will be, I'll be focusing on more to get the higher time frame entries as much as possible. Yes, looks weaker to me. Okay. What the fuck, bro? This happens, bro. 9 o'clock, 9:15. Okay. That here we got a change in state of delivery. So what 7 hour will help you, as much as I saw, is it will uh, reduce the chaos, definitely, like as compared to 4 hour. We haven't yet got that change in state of delivery. So on. Okay. As expected, 9:30 is pushing higher. So yeah, it should be in a tight range, in this entire range, because this is a open. Okay, so if it wants to push higher, eventually this will be a negative condition of uh, weekly candle, because this is a Monday. So yeah, kind of, you can say, kind of whole day range, kind of. It's very exciting. Like, bro, I tested it. It works. So for now, if you want to take, if you want to trade the range of the day, so you're not going to expand higher. So you should be looking for only the opening price, whatever. But I'll be more sticking to the higher time frame. Here, I would have never got an entry. So I'll just let it play out. Shit, bro. This is happening again. I don't know why this happens. I have to. Yeah, come back. This is not a ideal error which I'll be getting if I, punch my trade over there. So opening price, Monday open, 6 p.m. open. So once we reach a Monday, I'll be expecting some kind of sideways market opening price, or else if I get a good pullback, I might think of entering there. Good swing formation in ES, but not in NQ. Don't like this. Don't like this failure swing, but this is not actually, you know that near to this swing. So I think we are good if we get this change instead of delivery. 2 hour will be our uh, actual target we'll be looking for. So I'm not going to play safe here like I do in live streams. I'm not gonna go break even at this point. I'll just let it go till 2 hour and then I'll take a partial and then let it run. As expected, opening price hit. The price might chop here. See a partial out of there at 2 hour. Bro, take us out. Yeah, 2 hour, whatever 2 hour. So we'll be holding it till 3 p.m. nearly and let it run. So now I'll be trailing my stop. This is a 5 minute entry. Yeah, no, bro. The fuck? My entry got out because of some glitch. 3 p.m. Yeah, this is the highest what we would have got. I'll be closing my trade at this point here, 3 p.m. Okay, so 1:3, that's pretty good. So uh, how am I journaling my trades? Is I'm just giving it to a cloud and letting it analyze everything. I'm just posting a very screenshot inside of cloud and telling it a reason why I have taken it. Timing. What was our entry timing? 11 a.m. So it will, keep everything. No, I'm not switching, bro. I'm just testing it out. If it helps me, I'll think of switching it. And it will also help you guys in back testing and help me as well. Then why not? I would have done it personally, but I thought Let's do it together. So this low resistance build is here is this is not good at all. We might get a dump in overnight, but 6 p.m. 6 p.m. not yet started, so we are good. Let's play it out. In a minute. Shit, bro. Why this keeps on happening with trading view? I have to do it every time to reload it. 6 p.m. As I said, we are just dumping, take all these low resistance. That's a good move there to take it out at 3 p.m. 6 p.m. Okay, so new day open. Daily. As expected, daily just consolidated around the opening price because we had a pretty much bigger week here. That's a good analysis. So here we had this Kraken correlation, and we are just looking for higher prices. So we do have drop here, which is good, but no draw in ES. That's a problem, but that's fine. We might push higher as well. This is some random date on January. I was trying to backtest from January till whatever. What's the timing of HDF candle, bro? Like HDF candle, if you ask, like I'm not focusing on pairing it with a model, specific model. Like I'm going with 7 hour, and then directly 15 minute. I'm focusing on only these two time frames. So if I want to trade fractally, like 1 hour and 5 minutes, uh, then I'll adopt it according to the situation. So opening to the low. This is our T spot. Then here, opening to the low. This is not open. This is open. Goes to the low. Yeah. Let's see 7 hour. Come on. Load it. Yeah. To have this imbalance here. Tap, 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 tap. Not a good C2 closure in NQ, but ES looks like he wants to push higher. NQ looks bit weaker here. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Looks like we are having this bracket correlation here. Okay. And we might get this confirmation, and we should look for continuation at this point. This will help us to frame this 15 minute. Let's see. Let's print this 15 minute. Free. No movement at all on this. 9 a.m. 9:15. I was expecting it to take this low as well. We are not going to take that. If if we take now next 15 minutes should be will be like taking this low and then pumping higher like anything. So that's the reason we'll just switch to the 5 minute and let's see if it gives us an entry there as expected. But do we trust this at this point? 4 hour, 4 minute, 4 minute, 4 minute, nothing there. Okay, let's try it out. I'm just like not specifically two contracts, but I'm just doing it for take partial at 2 hour. What's this? This is 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. Took this loss, no? What's the date? Or date of the trade. Let me just give it a date. What was today's date? Oh, 13. So yesterday's was 12 Jan. So for today, 13th Jan. See you guys again, guys. 13 Jan and to capture 10 a.m. Let's see because open didn't support here. 9:30 just manipulated. Took this high as well. Here as well. So hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. So what's 5 minutes? Let's see if we can get a push lower continuation and then we can look for lower prices. Or else we might just consolidate here because we had a overnight move. Maybe what's our 4 hour doing? Take a look at this chart. Tuesday. So we cleared all of these lows. All of these lows. So 6 p.m. Here it is. Yeah, just around the opening price. So I'm not interested in taking this long. Even if I do take, I have to just target this high. So if I would have taken it on with this opening price here, I have to just reload it every time. Of it. So it should be here. So looking for these highs. 8:30. I think we had some news on that day. 8:30 and 9:30 didn't give us a good push there. We set the low after 9:30 and then we are pushing higher here. Right. One at this point. Let's see. Which at all. So did we even get to what there? Oh, this was a door. This was a door. 3 p.m. Yes, sir. 3 p.m. closing my trade at this point here. Kind of 1 hour loss on that. A pretty bad day. Opening price is yes sir. जॉब भी कर रहे हैं. 6 p.m. open. Let me just show you guys in our time frame how chop it was. So no actual move there. 6 p.m. Look at this. 6 p.m. open and price moved nowhere. The entire day we were just chopping around. This is a range of day 200 points. That's not much. There's no way we will be catching the whole range of the day because there is no range at all. Let's look for next day, 6 p.m. Daily, daily, not a good daily here. No structure at all for me looking at this daily. We are open to the low. We are just in range of this candle, so it's a bit confusing. So I'm gonna still stay bullish here because of this closure. Let's see. Push that open to the and let's go 7 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours. Look at this big wake, negative condition candle, non-tradable at all. Yeah, bro. Just look at the live stream. Who can you backtest with a checklist? Having a checklist will make it more mechanical, I would say. Very mechanical. So sometimes we have to be discretionary. Sometimes we have to, you know, look at how the day is playing out. So actually, what am I doing is, let me just, so let me just get you a checklist here. Just keep watching. I explained everything to Claude. So so I have back tested around 20 trades with Claude, so it might have definitely understood everything. Yeah, paid version, paid version. Now what we'll do is we'll get this checklist. Okay. And wait here. Where it is? I had one checklist. This thing, bro. No, not this. This was not. I think this is it. No, not even this. This. Where, bro? Where is that, bro? Fuck it, bro. I'll just have it side by. Okay, you guys can see. History bias is clear and draw is not yet been met. Overnight session is not delivered full expansion. Change in state of delivery clearly identified on the chart. Entry time frame is 15-minute minimum to capture the entire range. Entire day range if you want to. Entry window should be at 9:30 to 10:11, and you should not force a trade. 6 of 6? What is this? I didn't understand this, bro. Is it about RR? Oh, 6 out of 6 checklist. Okay, sir, got it. Got it. Put, let this put in my reset notepad because I'll be, journaling my trades in cloud, so I have to keep it somewhere. So this is our checklist. Okay, keep it aside. So 6 p.m. open. So yeah, let's see. So wanna push lower. Get up and lower. We do have a clean draws down here, so I think we should be pushing lower. So this is a overnight expansion, which is London session. Okay. So first overnight expansion, not expansion. We came back in range. That's cool. 15 minute. If we are delivering from this gap, thank you, and ES as well. Got it. And 8:30, 8:30, we are having this change in a set of delivery. So we'll be looking for continuation here. the lows. Let's see. Fuck it, bro. 9:15, 9:30, manipulated lower. So I need a more clear this thing direction too. So coming to the day, we were bullish actually. We were bullish. Sorry for that. We were bullish. Clear these lows. Manipulation done. Clear this low. So the reason why I was are you using 6 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours, 7 hours, bro, 7 hours, 7 hours. So look at this swept low manipulation. Like basically what's happening here is 9:30 setting the low, and what I'm expecting is 9:30 setting the low, and the rest of the day should push higher because I was bullish, and the high of the day is not yet set in London or Asian, any of those sessions. Look at these equal highs up here, and yeah, looking for bullish here. We have anything in 5 minute? 5 minute looks clean. Even 15 minute looks clean. So as our okay, let's stick to the 5 minute. Let's keep it. Yeah, that's good. That's fine. The mistake, the mistake, what we did is switch it to the 5 minute. Try to take that 5 minute entry. Didn't follow our checklist. Yeah. This was our continuation entry there to these lows. And what did we miss? What did I miss? 15 minute entry time frame. We didn't focus on that. So pairing your what do you say 9:30 opening price in lower time frame might be bit of dangerous because of volatility what we'll be getting there. But 15 minute is all right. 15 minute you can definitely consider 15 minute. Probably would have captured all of this. It's fine. Try to take 5 minute entry again. And to Kessel, what's the date? 14 Jan. Checklist violation. First is Bias, STF bias was not clear. Overnight expansion not delivered. Actually, overnight is not yet delivered. Actually, change instead of delivery didn't uh, recognize perfectly because of because our bias was totally changed over there, and entry time frame 5 minute. So this was a problem. The only thing we followed is 9:30. Did we force trade? Yeah, we did force trade that. Let's be honest to the journal at least, and clear bias. Yeah, this was our mistake. Clear every single loss in your database has broken at least one checklist rule. Okay, okay. Let's go on the next day. We were good, bro. We were like bullish, but it gave us a move after clearing all of these lows. We set a low very late PM session, and then now we'll push higher. Again, this is negative daily condition, I would say. Oh, 6 p.m. So here is our new day. Here's our new day. So, to the daily, cleared these lows. So where are we reversing from? Do we have any good? We cleared all of these low resistance here in ES. That's good. Do we have any clear point of interest to push away from here? Nothing actually. But the only thing is we have a monthly opening price. Okay, so we can push higher there. And coming to the weekly, weekly looks like we are just in a chop again. Daily should be supporting higher. And what about 7 hour and weekly? Uh, If you look at even 4 hour, we should be getting change instead of delivery above this high to confirm our confirm whether we are aligning with a higher time frame bias or not. But looking at the ES, look at these low resistance here. This looks cool, so we can take a chance. So 4 hour NQ went a little bit deeper, but ES looks good. This order block, and we cleared this failure swings. Look at these failure swings. This, and all of these failure swings in ES. We cleared all of those, and we might just get a good push higher there. Now let's see 3 p.m., 6 p.m. Good expansion. Have this fair value gap, which is I think got invalidated. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so coming to the 8 a.m. candle. So the first thing is we got a good overnight expansion. Okay, that's our checklist. So the reason behind using this 7 hour 7 hour and 6 hour is because trying to figure out whether we can capture the daily range, day range, the whole day range. So yesterday I went through some videos of AM trades, which where he was using the seven hour candles. So I thought to just back test it out. I was doing it personally, but I thought just let's do it with the community members. So yeah, 8 a.m. 90 minutes C2. Good bullish one here. 7:30. Equal highs up here. These highs are looking good. 8, 8:30. 8:30 good expansion. Think we'll clear that equal highs. Yeah, we did clear. 9:30. Yeah, it's a good retracement. Clear these equal highs now. Let's see. We can get a continuation there. 10 a.m. No continuation. Okay. So can we consider this as a continuation? I think no, because the low is not yet set. So to consider this low to be set, we need this closure. Okay. So yeah, as expected. Overnight move, pretty good. And 9:30 open, and then we are just dumping. Didn't see. Okay. So we set this low here. So we set this low. This will be a change in state of delivery. I'll be looking for spy out here for stop. Yeah, let's keep it below a little bit, 15%. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I think overnight expansion and a chop after 9:30. Yeah, that's the reason. Overnight expansion and a chop. And like other than that, everything was cool here. Draw was met, overnight expansion and a chop. I'll just eat and trial, bro. When was entry? I think there was it. Yeah, 11 a.m. 10:30. 10:30. I'll do this hit and trial until we'll figure it out. So one thing is getting more clear. Okay. So if draw is not actually the point here, the overnight expansion is a point. So we are getting overnight expansion and failing to deliver after 9:30. Okay, that's the first thing. STF bias then actually change instead of delivery 15 minutes. That was clear. And yeah, this was clear. This was clear as well. 9:30 to 11 a.m. outside the proven windows. 10:30. Well, 10:30 is inside of this entry window. That's fine. Not a forced rate, but overnight expansion didn't recognize the consolidation after 9:30. That was a problem. So let's keep it in mind. Okay, and let's continue to the next day, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. daily. What a chop, bro. What a chop week. Clear that equal highs. Month. It's almost half of the month, and I think we will just chop around the opening price of the month. January it is. January, first quarter. So will be what is our 4 hour structure going on? Looks like we'll come back in range again. Look at this range here, entire range. So so we are planning of capturing a daily range in this shit, bro. Let's see. That's very difficult though. 8 a.m. Do we have anything in here? You get the yes looks bit of uh, stronger asset, but we're getting this trend switch here. I don't think so. Bit confusing for me. No overnight expansion at all. But even if I wanna look bullish, let's see how daily looks. This point, daily daily was in range. Then we should turn and take out these doors. Let's see lower time frame will help us to do that. Opening price will help us to recognize what's going on. Looking at the 15 minute, we really look like we turned here. 15 minute, but depends on the opening. How we are gonna open. Clear these highs. K and NQ and ES. ES looks bit weaker than NQ, so I might stick to the ES. Open. Okay. Got that manipulation versus size and SMT. Everything looks perfect here. So is 15-minute completed yet? I think not. 5 minute 40. So yeah, another 45. So another 5 minute minute. Yeah. Now the 15 minute is complete. So we got a clean close in NQ then ES if you look at it. So let's stick to the ES here. Everything is looking perfect. So yeah. Okay. So where is our 2 hour? Let's check it out. What the fuck, bro? Did I? Oh shit. Bro, I was adding the limit here, bro. Oh, I have to buy it. Fuck. Sorry, guys. So I have to take out two now. So mistakenly I have added it there. Okay. Taken out two, letting one run. So I'll be trailing my stop to break even there. So let's see if you can run out to these lows till 3 p.m. So keeping in mind we are just in a very tight range. So let's see. I messed it up with entry though. Let's consider entry here itself. Okay. So I was just you want push. Okay. It's our next day push. I think this is our next day push. Where I'll be closing here is fuck it, bro. Where I'll be closing is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. So I'll be closing it here. But anyhow, we got a 2 hour at this point, and we also take at -2 of this manipulation. I was targeting this, but we got that on next day. I can't uh, hold overnight. So pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. We paired opening price very well. Did we clear that low in ES? No, not in ES as well. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. In a very tight range, we played it out very well. That's a good impressive entry there. Trade stop at 2 hour. We got we got full deliver of that standard deviation. That's cool. That's nice. What was the day? 10:45. What was our entry timing here? 9:45 maybe. So 9:45. Yeah, 9:45. Timing 9:45. Bias was bearish. And we had 9:30 manipulation and rest of the session. Session took partial at 2 hour and trade hit trade stop at 2 hour. Till held the trade. That's till 3 a.m. Sorry, 3 p.m. Okay, looks good. Trade 11, day 16 January, right? Or is it 16? Okay. Cloud is learning. Even Q direction short. Entry time frame 15. Entry time hand 45. Session NY post manipulation. Okay. Setup 9:30 manipulation. Continuation short. Higher time frame bearish. Entry zone area. Partial exit 2 hour. Trade stop. 2 hour full exit at 3 p.m. EOD. Exit reason EOD time based exit. Yeah, that's the reason. Again, even I would have trailed it to 2 hour. So come here. Mistake none noted. No mistakes. So we played it out very well there. That's cool. Entry time frame breakout. So I've taken 5 trades in 15 minutes, in which 3 were wins and 2 were losses, and 0 break even. 60% win rate at 15 minutes. And 5 minute entries were 2, 1 win and 1 break even, 50% win rate. And this was our RR at 15 minutes, and this is our RR at 5 minutes. So 4 minute, 1 loss, 1 minus 1 hour, and 3 minute minus 1 hour, which is 1 loss again. I only took 1 trade on 3 minutes and 4 minutes, respectively. That's fine. Directional breakdown. Long 6 trades, 3 wins, 2 losses, and 1 break even. This matters less to me because the direction will obviously keep on changing in market. So background change in state of delivery 9:30 continuation, 2 trades, 2 wins. Absolutely banger. 9:30 manipulation and then continuation, 1 trade, 1 winner. Change in a state of delivery plus 9:30 entry, 1 trade, 1 winner. Okay. Open move capture. These are sub 15 entries, guys. Sub 15 entries. These forced and unclear entries come inside of the sub 15 because we basically go into a FOMO and then try to punch trades one after another. So forced or unclear. Unclear because of lot of chaos in lower time frame, and forced because fear of missing out the trades. So yeah, open move capture. You can capture it, the opening move, but if you go sub 15, you'll definitely fucked up there. That's what I am. That's where I am failing. So I have to just keep it in mind. If you're capturing near opening price, then entering around the opening price, then just don't keep it sub 15. Yes, sir. Beautiful trade. That's nice. Let's keep it aside and just look for next day. What's the time? It's 10 p.m. in the night. What did we live stream today, bro? I can just continue after my dinner if you guys want to, or else I'll do it personally. Still three people are watching. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, it's been 1 hour. Well, definitely, definitely. I'll just ping you guys in Discord. So if you guys want me to do live streaming, I'll just keep on doing this. I'll just continue journaling in Cloud. It will analyze my traits and tell me what to improve. And it will also help you guys side by. I hope because it is very helpful to journal it here. You can use ChatGPT as well if you don't have a cloud subscription. And I set this thing. Let me just show you guys. I'll share it with you guys. Project instructions. We call it in cloud. So what it will do is it will give you instruction to frame the backtesting this way. Whatever the instruction you would have provided. So what I have did is I'll just keep on journaling it here. So once I complete my back testing, I'll just take a Notion template of this. So I connected my Notion MCP with Claude. So if I tell a Claude to, you know, give me a Notion template of whatever I have back tested, it will just throw me a Notion template. What's up, buddy? What's up? Welcome to the stream. You're late to the party. We were back testing since a very long time here. Since 1 hour, we took around six trades and we were looking for capturing the entire range of a day. 6 out of 4, I think, we have been journaling. So these are the stats. Total trades 11. I have took one or two couple of trades in the morning. So we had a bit more losses in morning. Wins 4, loses 6, break even 1, win rate 36. But net RR was like I was going all in for like capturing the entire range, even traded more than a 2 hour. So it doesn't matter if we are winning only 4 trades out of 11, out of 10, one was break even. So this will be improved eventually if I go on backtesting because this is my first time using 7 hour candles to profiling, and I think we are doing good with 7 hour candles, and this is helping me a lot to you know journal my trades. Look at this, all the checklist here. Everything is looking good. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have my dinner, come back and ping you guys in Discord if I wanna do live stream again. And make sure to join. Make sure to subscribe if anyone of you guys are new here. And yeah, see you guys in a hour or two. And yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye.